made by the judge?
All right. I think when we spoke last time, I had highlighted the issues in the matter before the court. Really, the major issues were about whether the court had jurisdiction over our case as we presented it. And our case essentially is that certain statutory provisions, particularly Section 82 of the Electoral Act, which requires notices to be sent to INEC wherever a political party is conducting its convention to elect its officers. It requires for it to be signed by the National Secretary and the National Chairman. And the court arrived at the conclusion that the notices in this instant case for the proposed convention was signed only by the National Chairman. And the court held that to be defective. On the issue of representation too, the court held clearly that it is the legal advisor under the constitution of the PDP that has the power to constitute a legal team to represent the party in any action. So all processes filed by those instructed solely by the chairman of the party were struck out and held to be invalid. And as well, the 8th and the 9th respondents were also held not to have sufficient interest that the second defendant was already sued. And given that they were already expelled from the party, there was no need for them to be part of this action and they had no interest. So those are just the major things. The take home is that political parties for now must follow the provisions of the Electoral Act, and that INEC importantly has a role to supervise the conduct of conventions of political parties to ensure that they meet up with democratic norms and principles. So that's just what the case was about.
Thank you very much.
So it has invalidated.
In summary, to set the record straight, can we say what?
Yes, it has. It has. It has invalidated the notices. It has set aside the convention and has asked the party to do the right thing, which is first the state congresses. Some congresses were not held in some states in line with the law, and they need to give proper notices of the holding of those congresses. When they do the state congress, they can now talk about having convention. Yes.
Thank you.
I'm not aware. I'm not aware.
Okay. Please closer, sir. Closer, sir. Can we just come closer? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Excellency. We just want to know how to react to the judgment just delivered by the court.
I think you should ask my chairman, then I will.
Let the chairman talk.
Well,
your reaction of the judgment just delivered.
we just had the judgment, and as a law-abiding citizen, we have noted it. Not that it has gone down well with us. Definitely, this is not what we expect. We will appeal it, let it be on the record, and that 3 people cannot subvert democracy. I want to say this emphatically, that this judgment today is a panacea to annihilating democracy in this country, because you cannot stop a whole political party from exercising its legal right. We have authorities whereby we have, it's supposed to be an internal affairs of the party. Just because 1 or 2 saboteurs are out to destroy this party, God will not let them be.
Who are those saboteurs?
You know them. You know them, I don't have to say it.
Well, as my chairman has said, we came because we respect the rule of law. We respect our legal system in Nigeria, but we are really very disappointed because the judgment is argumentative. You know, they were just trying to justify the unjustifiable, and of course, praising or celebrating impunity, and of course, interference in the internal affairs of parties, and even placing saboteurs within the real political party. You can just imagine an officer of the party coming to give back witness against the party, and that person is celebrated as having been the If you are a member of the party, you are supposed to be the position of the party. And the national chairman has said, we are not discouraged. We are fighting. We are going to fight this in.
I can talk. Austin, I can talk. Yeah. Hold on. PDP.
Your name?
My name is George Turner.
Your name?
My name is George Turner.
The judgment, please.
I'm the national zonal secretary of this party, the South Zone. I'm here with my colleague, plaintiffs. Today, we have been vindicated. Vindicated that we stood for democracy. We stood to deepen internal democracy in our party. And we stood for the right thing, for the right cause. The court today have given clear judgments that political party administration must be run in line with the law. In line with the law.
I don't see now.
That was all. My name is George Turner. We are the plaintiffs, Honorable Austin, myself, and Ahmed. We are the plaintiffs in this matter. We have been vindicated, and for us this judgment is victory for democracy and victory for the rule of law. All we came to court to do was to insist that the law is followed in the administration of political parties. Those who manage our political parties will stick to the rule of law and abide by the constitution of our various political parties. This judgment has clearly vindicated us, and the judge have ruled impunity has no place in democracy. Impunity has no place in internal affairs, the management of the political parties. And we give all glory to God. We are not against convention, like the court have ordered. All steps, condition precedent to a valid convention have been ordered. And as a political party, we will go back and ensure that all the things that were not done correctly before, they are done. Congresses in a lot of states, imagine out of 36 states, 14 have no congresses. And these are congresses where delegates will emerge to go to a national convention. And so today, the judiciary have once again stood out as the last hope of the common man. And we are grateful that this judgment has come at this time to deepen our democratic practices.
Your name once again.
Sorry, please. Let me make one comment, please. My name is Honorable Austin Wachuku. I'm a former member of National Assembly of this country, and I'm the state chairman of PDP Imo State, and one of the three plaintiffs in this suit. I just want to say that there is no act that is stronger than the rule of law. And no amount of advocacy that can withstand a legal fact. We went to court to stop impunity in our party. The problem we have is arbitrariness in our party. We are not against convention. We are true party men. I went to National Assembly on the platform of PDP. So I must defend the PDP ethics and all that it takes. But some elements in the party feel that they can pocket the party. Enough of this governors forum. Enough of this governors forum. They are tearing this party apart. They should allow the people elected by the party members to run the party. I don't see where a governor will assume the role of a party chairman, issue notices, issue meeting notices, and do all manner of things because they are governors. So let us go back to the drawing board. The court has spoken, and let nobody undermine the court orders. So thank you very much. We are happy that we got it.
Amen.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're okay. We're okay.
My name is Abraham. I am the state chairman of Abia PDP. Every expression, every organization respects its own rule. Failure to do that, they will put themselves in trouble, and that is exactly what we have seen today. So we expect our party, the PDP, to respect our constitution and act, carry out their businesses in line with that constitution, electoral act and other extant law. Once that is done, there is no problem. We are good to go. Thank you.
Thank you very much.